Welcome. I'm Groovy Kim, and today we're going to have a meditation for anxiety. Things like this happen. This is Climber. Climber often comes to meditate with me. She's a wonderful kitty and a wonderful part of our family. Well, Climber, I was going to have you say hello. Say hello. She's a fat kitty. That's Climber. All right, Climber, go on. We're going to meditate now. I don't like cats at all. First off, I'd like to let you know that there is not a right way or a wrong way to meditate. There's really not. It's as an individual as you are. You can sit on the floor like I am. I have a cushion. Or you can sit on the couch. You can use a pillow under your knees if you don't like to sit cross-legged. I couldn't sit cross-legged last year at all. I was diagnosed with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. And yeah, I couldn't do this at all last year. But look at me now. I can do it without a problem. I do have to say that meditation is how I was able to achieve that. That's how I can now do this, is through what I'm about to show you now and just practicing it a little bit every day. Okay? I do have to say though, yeah, this has been building, these symptoms were building for years and years and years. So it doesn't necessarily happen overnight, although it absolutely can, because you're connecting to the quantum field. And when you connect to the quantum field, some really amazing things can happen, and you can heal very quickly. For my situation, I think it took me a little bit of time to just go all in and be convinced. So it took me a few months to be able to walk again regularly without a limp, and to be able to cross my legs and do all this kind of good stuff. You're just bound and determined to stay in the video, aren't you, Climber? That's all right, sweetheart. Okay, let's start off with some slow, deep breaths. Now, breathing deep is extremely important. Let's bring it down. And let's take a slow, deep breath in and hold it for 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. And let it out nice and easy, naturally, just as your body normally lets it out. That's right. Now let's take another great big slow deep breath in through the nose and hold it for the count of 4. 2, and continue to repeat this a few more times. Inhaling through the nose, relaxing, remembering to pause at the top of your breath for the count of 4. And now I'd like you to sit up nice and straight, or readjust yourself if you're lying down. Make yourself comfortable and slowly close your eyes. Continue your breathing. In through your nose, hold it. 2, 3, 4, and out. Notice how it feels cool to draw it in through your nose. Notice how your chest expands and your belly expands like a balloon as you fill it and release it. Notice how your shoulders now are beginning to drop as you let the muscles go in your neck. You take another slow, deep breath in through the nose, holding it for 4 and letting it out nice and slow. Notice how your mind begins to drift to an area that may be bothering you. This is where I want you to become the observer. Step outside of yourself. Imagine that you're in a glorious garden and you can smell flowers that are blooming in the trees, and that all the tensions are beginning to dissolve as you observe them. Just dissolving with each exhale, letting go, feeling the tension dissolve. You're beginning to walk around now and observe the colors. There's fantastical colors where you're walking. Play along with me now. It's easy to do if you try. Do you see the colors? Now I want you to pick your favorite color. And in your mind's eye, I want you to take another great big deep breath in through your nose. And this time, hold it for 4, but let it out for 8. Super slow exhale. And I want you to take that color, form it into a ball. And I want you to add light to it and make it bright. Another deep breath as you feel your shoulders drop even more. And your spine muscles, and your hip muscles beginning to let go. As you bring the color ball of light closer to your body, you begin to float it around and draw it near. Bring it close now, closer to your heart. Another slow, deep breath. Now I want you to imagine that you're filling this ball of light with your love. I want you to think of how wonderful it is to be alive. And with everything you have, I want you to fill that ball of light with your love. And in your heart, say thank you so much for allowing me to be here, for allowing my heart to beat and my lungs to fill with air, and for giving me the powers that I possess, powers that I was born with, that I am now learning to expand, and to grow, and to evolve. I am evolving. I'm becoming metahuman. My avatar, what I call a body, is evolving and upgrading. Take another slow, deep breath. Now I want you to hold the ball of light and give it thanks and gratitude with all your heart. Pull it near, draw it in, feel the warmth of it. The warmth is beginning to radiate. You can feel it as it's starting to touch your chest area. And you begin to draw it into your heart. A warm, warm light. It's so loving. It feels so good. And all the muscles in your body let go even more. And you take another slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, and let it out again. 2, 3, 4. You may feel your body begin to tingle as the warm light further releases tension in the areas that need to let go. You are so powerful. You can pull this light to any area in your body where you need it. I want you to take this light, this warm, radiating ball of light filled with love and gratitude, and slowly move it from one place to the other, wherever you need it. Pull it down to your joints, over your abdomen, over your knees, over your hands, wherever you need healing. You have the power to pull that warm, radiating, loving light all over your body. This is the energy from the quantum field that you are directing now. You have this power. Take another slow, deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel the tingling sensations as it moves around. This is called the Kundalini energy. Ancient mystics talk about this. The yogis of today talk about this energy. It's very real. And what you're feeling is very real. And you get to direct it. And indeed you are directing it. You are very powerful. And you can heal your body. And as you feel the tension go, your symptoms dissolve. And as the observer, you can step back and just watch them leap. Take another slow, deep breath. And another slow, deep breath. Feel the love of the universe wrapped around you. You have an aura, a bubble of this energy that you carry throughout your day and you can tap into anytime you like with a slow, deep breath, closing your eyes for a moment and having the deep knowing that this power is yours, your birthright. Take another slow, deep breath. Now as we begin to move the energy up through our chest, and we become aware, bringing our alpha waves back into beta. Open your eyes. Another slow, deep breath. Man, that feels good. That kind of stress relief can add years to your life and can relieve all kinds of symptoms. Join me again. Play this every day. You'll start to see real results. I'm living proof. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, ring that bell, then you'll know when I release new videos and we can keep on meditating together, because that's really groovy. Thank you.